Hi, hi.
So, who wants to read? Sonam, you want to read?
Again, is Kruti you want to read? Vidyanti you want to read? Anyone?
I can read.
Okay, go for it,
Hi.
Vidya.
Who is reading? Vidya Maushi or I am reading? Kruti, you can also read. No issue.
Why don't you all do half and half? Vidyanti, you start reading, and
Okay.
then I can tell you when to stop. Then Kruti can start.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today we have magical money chapter, one more magical money chapter. So today it's called the magic check, and it's an American English spelling, but we are going to talk about the check which we use in the banks. Siddhant, you can start.
Okay. Day 17, the magic check. Okay. In the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. William S. Burroughs, 1914 to 1997, writer and poet. When you direct gratitude's magical power towards any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money. All bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it a little more. If you have feelings about money like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. If you are worried about money, you will receive more worrying situations about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money. However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing, and gratitude is guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you are grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feelings that push money away from you, you are doing the very thing that brings more money to you. You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you are not grateful each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you. Money can come to you through receiving an unexpected check, an increase in salary, a lottery win, a tax refund, or an unanticipated gift of money from someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner when you are about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted. When there is a money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. The end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does this circumstance mean that I have more money? because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving through that circumstance. If you tell a friend you are about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you are planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if your lending institution lowers their interest rate, or a service provider offers you a far better package, your money magically increase through the saving of money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive money? Most likely, you have experienced some of these situations in the past, and whether you realized it or not at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all. It is universal law. Any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that cost money is a result of your gratitude. You will feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with your gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance. Then,
Vidyanti,
huh,
you can hand it over to Kruti now. Kruti,
okay.
you can continue.
When I arrived in United States several years ago, I arrived with 2 suitcases. I worked in a bare bones apartment with my laptop on my lap. I did not have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere. But I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in the United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its 4 plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, and 4 spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift to me a driver and a car for a very few months. Other than other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive. And then suddenly I had my own personal driver and car. I was grateful. So I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude. Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astonishing results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the gratitude bank of the universe. And you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one, one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money on. Money is a means to what you money is the means to what you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about the money per se, you won't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for the money. You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get abundance of blank magic check from the secret website. If you want, you can start with a smaller amount on your first magic check, and after you receive the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amount on your next check. The benefit of starting with a small amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did it. You will know absolutely that the magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and the joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you. Once you fill in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want that money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually receiving the money to get the very thing that you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can. Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes, a computer, or new bed. So picture yourself actually buying what you want in a store. If you would purchase that what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery. So you feel excited, excitement and gratitude. You might want the money to travel overseas, or for your child's college education. So imagine buying your airplane tickets or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and grateful as if you have really received it. After you have completed this step, take the magic check with you today and put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least two or more occasion during the day today, take the magic check in your hand. Picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted, and feel as grateful and excited as you can, as though you are really doing it. If you want, you can do it more times in the day. As with any other magical practice, you cannot do it too often. Okay. At the end of today, either keep your magic check where you had it, or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You could put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or a wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as much uh, feel as through you have received the money, and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want. When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you received the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magical way, replace the check with a new amount for something else that you really want, and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want. Magic practice number 17, the magic check. Practice first. Count your blessing. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, fill in your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Third, hold your magic check in your hand and imagine purchasing specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Take the magic check with you today, or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least two or more occasions, take the check in your hand, picture yourself using the money for what you want, and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it. At the end of today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the money on your check, or if you received the item you wanted to spend the money on, replace the check with a new amount for something else want, or repeat the steps 2 to 4 times. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that had happened during the day. And download a copy of Magic Check from the website. Then fill in the date, your name, amount you wish to receive in the currency of your choice. Yes.
Thank you, Kriti. Thank you, Vidyanti. So
Thank
this
you.
is the magic check. Actually, it's because the page online PDF is such so you can see half. But yeah, it's a very interesting practice where you can fill the amount you want, but the amount should not go more than your belief. Like if you're
Yeah.
writing 100 crores, but you don't believe you can get, you think you can't get, so then it won't work. So start with smaller things. And very interesting, in last money chapter we read that money is just a medium to buy services. So be grateful for the services you get. And today in this money chapter the main lesson is money saved is money earned, basically. And somewhere it was written how the author came to United States and had very limited resources. So it reminds me of me coming to Bombay and staying there. When I rented an apartment, it was empty, I had nothing. So slowly things came, my friends gave me something, and now today I don't know how I have everything in the house. For that matter, I wanted a study table and a chair, so I used to see on OLX and all that. In the same duration, my office shifted to a new place. So from old office, I got the table, I got chair, I got couch, and that's the same table chair which Sonam used for 3 years. So without paying anything, I just got all the furniture which I needed. So I got the permission, I took it home, and slowly that's how I built my house in Bombay. So I think small things are there, and we do ignore discounts. I mean, we are never grateful for that. We think ये तो देना ही है ना, company को product
Birthright
बेचना
है
है
ना?
तो. So that's a beautiful message, I think, which I have got today.
Absolutely. Fantastic.
So you want to
Also,
add
just
something?
no. So I'm just wondering, Karthik, now in terms of me and them. So I have the physical book. Should I cut the page out and stick it? And what about people who don't have the book? Should they download it and store it as an image?
So you need to take a printout. So I can share the soft copy of on one page. So the ideal thing is you take a printout, fill it, and stick it in your house anywhere.
Okay.
And once you achieve that amount, you be grateful for that, and then again continue the practice if you wish to. So that's the beauty of this practice. But you don't have to think how the money will come, where the money will come from. Just be grateful. You have to think what will you do with that money. So if you are writing 10,000
Yeah.
rupees, what are you going to buy? So visualize that. Don't visualize 10,000 cash in your hands.
Correct. You visualize that it's already come to you, right?
Yes.
And you're now utilizing it for a
Yes.
good cause. Got it. Okay, interesting practice. Okay. Anyone, anything? Sapna, do you want to say something? No? Okay. Super. So should we head on to our practice? Madhu auntie is not here. She has skipped the chapter.
No, she was there. I think she must have just left.
Okay.
In between. Yeah.
What we'll do today is a very, very simple visualization technique, very quick, very simple, and very relevant to the chapter. So you will know where I want to take you. Come on, let's sit still. Kruti, it's nice to see you, by the way. You missed last class.
Yesterday I
Very bad. Chalo. Get into a comfortable position. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe in, you imagine abundance and well-being entering your body. As you breathe out everything that doesn't work for you. So we breathe in and we breathe out. Now today we're going to do something different. I want you all to come with me on a very, very short journey. Short yet fruitful. So I want you to imagine that all of us here have now set out on a trail. So now we're walking into an extremely dense jungle. On the left and the right of you, there are lush green trees, absolutely lush green. There are beautiful flowers. There are beautiful fruits. There is a pineapple tree. There is an apple tree. Now this is a jungle of my dreams. So I'm going to place the trees that I like. You're passing by a beautifully flourishing hibiscus tree with red flowers. The leaves on these trees are extremely fresh and have dewdrops on them. We're going now for a morning walk. The path we're on is beautifully carved out and easy to walk on. The sun has just come into the sky and is hitting your face gently, and the leaves are glistening, and so are the dewdrops. There is abundance in fruit, in flowers, in nature, everywhere. As we walk ahead, you hear the beautiful sound of a waterfall. The path is very, very easy and comfortable to walk on. You have butterflies dancing around you. As we keep walking, you notice on your right hand side a beautiful stream that you know leads to the waterfall. The water in that stream is exceptionally blue and rich and abundant with minerals, vitamins, and everything that you need. The water is also glistening because the sunlight is hitting it superbly well. You bend down and through your mind, you pick up a little bit of the water and you drink it. You feel refreshed and you feel like you've had all the nourishment that you need. Now we walk ahead, and as we keep walking, the sound of the waterfall comes closer and closer. The jungle suddenly opens up, and now to your left and your right along the path is just lush green grass. This grass, you extend your hand out, and through your mind's eye, you Put your hand onto the grass and keep walking. That fresh feeling of touching fresh, dewy grass. It's a beautiful feeling. You continue walking, and now you see the waterfall. The water is gushing down. You pick up your pace and you walk faster towards the waterfall. As you walk ahead, you notice just a little ahead is the waterfall. You continue walking and you reach the pond with the waterfall. The waterfall, as you look up, is majestic. It is a huge waterfall with water just gushing down. The water is falling into a beautiful pond, extremely calm and extremely beautiful. The water is cold, but you choose to dip your feet in, or you choose to dip your toe in, and you decide it's a good decision to walk towards the water. So now you get into the pond. The water is cold and very comforting, and you walk and walk towards the fall. You are now standing directly under that waterfall. And even though the water is coming with such force, it doesn't hurt you. It's feeling superbly smooth. It's feeling soothing. Along with the water coming through the waterfall, there is also energy that you feel, that Mother Earth is showering on you. It's the energy of abundance. It's the energy of love. And it is the energy of nourishment. Stand under that waterfall, have all that energy gush into you and onto your body. To tie the practice back to the lesson, if you can, whilst you're under the waterfall, you try and imagine that along with this water, along with this beautiful energy, as shallow as this may sound, there is also money, and not coins, of course. There is physical notes coming gushing down on you as well. This is called the money rain. Powerful, can seem a little shallow, but that's okay. For those of us who are facing issues, who have difficulty attracting money, this waterfall is your abundant source of money, of anything you need, of wholeness, of wellness, of health, and of life. So while you stand under this waterfall, you imagine whatever it is that you need to manifest, whether it is health. Health can be pink energy, whether it is money. If it is money, it could be notes, it could be green energy. Whether it is just love, love can be red energy. The color is in accordance to what you associated with that feeling. So I'm going to give you 15 seconds to bathe under this waterfall that you found inside yourself that is actually fully abundant, just waiting for you to imagine and ask. So take your time. We have now soaked ourselves in the energy that we feel we want to attract into our lives. We're not greedy, so we step down from that rock. You look back at this waterfall, you bow your head in gratitude. You thank this abundant source of energy for everything that it has provided you with and will provide you in the future. You apologize for forgetting that this source actually lies within you. And you're thankful because you found your way to this source. You bow your head down once again, be grateful, and turn around and walk a little further and step out of the lake. We will now come back to consciousness in the safe confines of our home, bringing with us that abundant energy that we will carry for days to come. With a smile on your face, gently rub your hands together. Place them on your eyes and open. Karthik, you're on mute.
Yeah, I'm saying that was so magical.
Nah, good
Loved
journey.
it.
All your energy practices are just too good.
Thank you so much.
I'm
Thank
looking forward to attending one of your sound healing sessions. जब ये
you.
इतना
should
छोटे से
actually
में इतना
plan
अच्छा लगता है तो
Early evening session one day.
We could. Just let me know anytime.
maybe once when this is over, then
Yeah.
maybe
Yeah, absolutely. We could do that. Kruti, all okay?
इतनी
Feeling
छोटे से
good?
टाइम में इतना अच्छा लगता है तो
I know.
No, and the funny part is, it's funny, but the book does inspire me. Like, these are not things that I think about. When I'm reading the chapter, I realize what we need to do today. So that's quite nice. And I do it with you. So I'm not only instructing you, I'm actually taking you on the journey with me, which is even more fun.
it was very nice.
So, all right. Anybody wants to add on anything? No. All right. I'll
Good.
share the check. Do try to take a printout and just give it a shot. It'll really be fruitful.
Yeah, even if you can't take the printout, literally what Karthik can do is take a screenshot of that page, right? Karthik, because I think Vidyanti, Kruti, Sapnadi, it'll just be easier if they see it on their phones. So maybe we can take a screenshot and send it to them and they can write it, right? And if you guys, like Vidyanti and I, if you all don't know how to write it on the check with the editor, we can edit that also and send it to you. That'll be easy.
Otherwise, you can do it on a plain paper also.
Yeah,
make
you
a
can
check
draw
on
your check
paper.
yourself.
Yeah, that also
Correct.
works well. Okay, so
Okay,
we'll call it
super.
for the day. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Thank you,
Bye,
everybody.
everyone.
Bye.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Good night. Bye.